Right, today we're going to be replacing the inner and outer tie rod in on the 2016 Mazda 3 Select. I don't know if you can see this thing, but the tie rod is broken. It's broken. You also want to make sure that all your jack stands are in place and that your wheel chops are in place so that this vehicle doesn't roll on you once it's jacked up. Always keep that in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the outer tie rod end that's broken from the spindle. There's one nut holding it on with the cotter pin that goes through, and you can see it pops right out. Now I have access to the inner tie rod end. And to give me more leverage, I'm going to turn the wheel to the right so that it pushes the outer tie rod in towards me. And because I can't move that knuckle anymore, I'm going to go ahead and use my inner tire rod end removal tool. Now these come with several different horseshoe shaped wrenches, I like to call them. I'm not sure what the name is, but once I figure out what size the inner tie rod end is, I'll mount it to the inner tie rod end tool. This green piece, and I'm not sure what it's called. Well, it's a tool. It's a removal tool. Anyway, I'll line it up to make sure that I have a really great grip on it, and I'll go ahead and break it loose. As you can see, it came loose pretty easily. Okay. With a little bit of muscle, and I've definitely been eating my Wheaties. Okay, we were able to get that off. Lock it in there. Boom. With this. It gives you that leverage you need. It gives you that leverage you need to get that turn going. Okay, we're going back in with it. I kind of can gauge how tight it is with my mechanical intuition. You know, a couple of firm turns, and you know, hey, it's on there pretty well. It won't be going anywhere. I don't have a torque
now
wrench.
we're gonna go in with the outer tie
I
rod
mean,
in.
I'm winging it, but my intuition hasn't failed me so far.
Before we do any of that, though, you want to make sure you put your boot back on, or else you are in for a ride. Don't forget to take your nut back off, too. Now you can put your nut back on. You know, put your outer tie rod in back in. Okay, don't judge me. This is just a temporary hold until I get it where I needed to be. I had to do these repairs mobilely, so I'm gonna slap this on the back end of the inner tie rod and boot, and I'm gonna put the original clamp back on the other side. So yeah, don't judge me. What you want to do? You want to start your loop already. Slide it through here. That way you'll have a little bit more playing room. You know? So I'll be taking this back loose.